Download the object and texture files that you want to import to Unreal Engine. I am using this chest that you can find free on Fab. Link to the object and artist profile is in the description below. This process is the same if you are using file types OBJ and FBX. If it is a zip file, right-click and extract the files. Open your Unreal project and drag the object file into a folder. You can leave all the settings as default and click Import. You will see the static mesh objects are imported along with their materials. Your object might just be one static mesh that is already joined together. Though, this chest is split into separate parts. You can create a new folder for the materials and textures to keep things organized in your project. Highlight the materials and drag into the new folder, selecting Move here on the option that appears. Next, drag in all the texture maps. You should have maps relating to base color, metallic, roughness, and normal. You can see that the naming of the maps relates to the materials that were also imported. We simply need to filter the texture maps for each object and place them in the appropriate material. Let's place our object in the scene by highlighting all the static meshes and dragging them onto the level. You will see that the size is quite big. This is usually out by a factor of 10. To fix, make sure that the objects are selected and go to the Details panel. Select the lock icon in the locked position for scale, and set the value from 1 to 0.1. To focus on your object, you can press the F key. Open one of the materials. This first one is for the lock. Highlight and press Delete on the current inputs as we will import the textures ourselves. You can filter for the object that you are updating and drag in the textures into the material. You can left-click and drag to move the texture maps around. You can select the texture you wish to connect to the material and see the naming in the panel to the left. Simply connect base color to base color, metallic to metallic. Normal to normal. And roughness to roughness. Next, click Apply and Save. Repeat these steps for any other blank material that you may have. Congratulations, you have now fully imported and textured an object in Unreal Engine 5. If this video helped you, please hit the like button or leave a comment below. Thank you.